This is lesson 12.4, volume of prisms and cylinders. Here are our two formulas that we're going to use. For our prisms, we're going to use length times width divided by 2 for a triangular base. If it's a rectangular or square base, we're going to use our length times width. And then we will times that by our height. So let's go ahead and identify our pieces here. We can see that the base is kind of shaded here. So that is going to be our length times width, which is 6 times 3, which is 18. And then our height is going to be right here, the 4. So we are going to take our area of our base, 18, times 4, and that's going to give us 72 centimeters cubed since it is volume. And this is a prism, so that's why we're using our prism formula. So for this next one, this one is a cylinder. So we're going to use our cylinder formula for the base there of pi. Well, let's put it over here, pi r squared. So since the radius up here, there it is, radius is 4, it's going to be pi times 4 squared. So we're going to go ahead and type that into our calculator, hitting the pi button, times 4, and then our power of 2, and then enter to get 50.3. And then our height is right here, 8. So we take the 50.3 times the height 8 in our calculator to get 402.4, and then our units, the little double apostrophe there is going to be, or quotation technically, is going to be inches cubed. If it was just one apostrophe, it would be feet, but 2 is inches. All right, so this next one, we want to identify the base. This is a prism, but it is a triangular prism. So since our base is a triangle, we are going to calculate the area of that triangle, which we know is length times width divided by 2. So that is going to be 3 times 4 divided by 2. So 12 cut in half is 6. And then our height is right here, which is 6. So we're going to take 6 times 6, and that is 36 meters cubed. So notice we're just finding the area of the base, we're taking it times the height, and then we are finding the volume that way. In this case, it is a cylinder. And we are going to find the area of the base, which is a circle, so pi r squared. And this time our diameter is given, which is 8. So that means that the radius, we need to cut that 8 in half to get the radius, which in this case would be 4. So now we can go ahead and plug it in, pi times 4 squared, which is going to be 50.3. Then our height is up here, which is 7. So 50.3 times 7, and our volume is 352.1 yards cubed.